Bro, I just took this trade and this is one of the most beautiful trade I've ever taken, and I just made one to two. So at the end of this video, you should actually understand a bit of price action, a bit of multiple time frame analysis, and a bit of candlestick analysis. So stick around and let us know why I took this trade. So I'm just going to clean all these, and you'll see what's up. So I started from the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I see, okay, what's happening over here. So first of all, I try to read the price action on the weekly time frame. So I just noticed that, okay, I have resistance over here. So which is the price action I'm seeing. I always like it to be precise. Yes, something like that. I go down to the daily time frame to see what have I drawn. I getting me. So kind of try to scroll out. I want to be very accurate. That's how I like my drawings to be, because those little gaps, they always amount to huge gaps on, like, time frame like 5 minutes or the 1 minute time frame. So that being said, I understand that, wow, the price action I'm seeing here is that when the market got to this place, you can see the way it rejected that zone rapidly. It got there again, it rejected it, it got there again, it rejected it, and now we are trading at that level because this candlestick closed very close to the resistance point. So the only time I'm looking to take trade at this area is only when I'm already trading above the resistance zone. So I'll just be waiting for something like this and to the upside. But you know that you cannot see it on the daily time frame. So the only way you can see what really happened inside this daily candlestick is by going down to lower time frames. I don't know if you get what I said. So if I want to see what happened inside that candlestick, I'll go back to 4 hour time frame. I'll be like, okay, this was what happened. I got there, I rejected it. Now I'm breaking it again. So I'll go back to the 1 hour. So I make sure that I'm giving meaning to everything that is happening on each time frame. I get me. So that's time frame analysis, so that I'm on the same page. So you remember that I already told you that it's only when I'm trading above this line that I'm going to be looking for trades, right? And I want to actually take the trades as close as I can to this line so that I can get the best result. So when we close this candlestick, this 1 hour candlestick, I was like, okay, this next candlestick is London open, and I know that if we can close above this white line, there will be enough pressure to push the market to the upside. But bear with me that this place was where the market got to before it reversed. So I'll be looking out for that place also, because the market can also get to that place and reversed on me. So the first thing I did was I moved down to the 5 minutes time frame to go see what's going on over there. And what I saw was that the market has broken that white line and it has retested it, and the 1 hour candlestick closed here. So where the 1 hour candlestick closed. Let me just zoom this out to see. So this is where I'll be applying candlestick reading. Are you getting me? So now I'm like, okay, we are above this line already. What am I looking for? I'll be looking for two things. Though I know what I'm looking for, that I'm looking for the market to just come here, just come and retest this place again, because this is the real low. We are in an uptrend, so this is the higher low. This is the real higher low, not this, because sometimes the market kind of do that to trick us. Then when it comes there, it will just weak you out and continue. Meanwhile, your stop loss could have been under it. So I was waiting for something like this to happen. Okay, just come here to test this place again, or even just give me a little wick below that place just to take out some people. So I was planning to take my buys from here. Yes, that was my first plan. I was planning to take my buys from here, and my target would be at this place for 1 to 3. I was very happy about this setup. I was so excited because coming by 1 to 3 trades are not easy. So that was what I did. That was my plan for the trade. So the market didn't get to that point. I was so pained, so pissed off, like because I was really hoping that I was going to take this 1 to 3 trades. So the market, the candlestick closed like this. So there is something you need to understand about candlestick. I just want to show it to you here. We are over here now. You can see the way the market looks like when it closed. It was different when this candlestick was red, because you should know that there was a time that the candlestick got to this place, and when it is here it is actually red. So it's the market looked different. I was like, okay, I need to actually wait for it to get to this place, then I'll be comfortable enough to take my buy from here and put my stop loss below this place. And if it weeks me out, fine, because that's the best trade for me, and that I followed my rules taking that kind of trade, so I won't be angry. So you should understand that candlestick close is very, very important in any kind of strategy you have, because the candlestick can change anytime, and you'll be seeing a very different market. So that was what happened here. So the candlestick kind of changed to green, and I was like, okay, since we are already like this, I don't want to miss out on this trade. So I have to find a way of entering the trade. So it was actually an engulfing candlestick. If you zoom out very, very well, you see that it actually engulfed. I get me. So I always like it to be very glaring, or to be glaring, but I still sometimes kind of zoom out to see if the market really engulfed or not. So when I saw the candlestick engulfed, I was like, okay, I'm going to go in for this because I don't want to lose out on this trade. So, and again, this is another reason why I took the trade. When I saw that, okay, look at this minor level now. I was looking at this minor level and I saw, okay, we still closed above that minor level. That is, we are already above it, so we should be looking for buys from there. So I was like, okay, let me just take the buy from there. And my stop loss was below this low over here. My take profit target was still at the same level, but this time you know that the ratio has changed. It was just a 1 to 2. So throughout last week, I was always getting reversals. Like I'll wait for a particular resistance zone to be broken while I'm seeing a trade, hoping that it's going to break it. But I eventually get wigged out because I'm always trading my stop. So it's kind of very painful. So this time when the market got there, I couldn't hold the trade. I just closed it at a 1 to 2. But if I had just waited for just 5 more minutes, I could have actually made my 1 to 3 today. But then I'm also happy with the 1 to 2, and it was actually a very beautiful trading day today because the market wasn't stressful. There are some days market is very, very stressful. So one thing I want to tell you now is that go to my description. You will see my broker, the broker that I use. My link is there. Make sure you click on the link and register with my broker. Also, join my free Telegram channel. The link is also in the description box below. And you should also comment what you like about this video or what you want me to do in the future. Just say anything that you want me to improve on, and I'll be doing that for you. And that being said, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.